Pride and Prejudice follows the story of the Bennet sisters in their complicated attempts to preserve their reputation and navigate the pressure of marriageability. The novel opens at Longbourn, the Bennet family's estate, 50 miles outside of London. Mrs. Bennet, the mother of 5 daughters, is giddy that Mr. Bingley, a single man of large fortune, has moved to the nearby estate, Netherfield Park. She hopes that one of her daughters could be his new wife. The Bennets first meet Mr. Bingley at a ball, where he takes an immediate liking to the eldest daughter, Jane. Mr. Bingley's friend, Mr. Darcy, however, snubs Elizabeth. Jane and Bingley grow fond of one another. After Jane recovers, she returns home with Elizabeth. Darcy asks Elizabeth to dance, and she reluctantly accepts. Meanwhile, Darcy visits Elizabeth and confesses that he wants to marry her despite her low family connections. Shocked at his arrogance, she refuses him and accuses him of both ruining Jane's future happiness and betraying Wickham. The next day, Darcy writes to Elizabeth explaining that he objected to Bingley's marriage to Jane because of her low family connections and lack of particular preference for Bingley. Darcy also tells that his father had promised to provide Wickham with a living so long as he entered the clergy. Wickham both refused the clergy and squandered his newfound fortune. He also seduced Darcy's teenage sister, George. Darcy tells Elizabeth that his affection for her has not changed. She then reveals that her feelings have changed, and she says yes to his second proposal. Darcy realizes he was wrong to act so proudly. Elizabeth accepts that she was wrong to judge Darcy prematurely.
Wait, transfer it up. Let me introduce myself. I'm George Wickham.
I'm Elizabeth Pinay. Easy for sure.
Friends ka na ba dito sa campus? Ano pala? The last defense. Tara, pasok. Different transferness.
Nakakasok na smile ko eh.
Magkuhan ka pa ng Facebook ka. Ikot tayo mamaya dito, Turkey and Dennis.
Gusto ko yan. Mamaya ha, lunch.
You know, eh?
Hindi.
Siya ang president ng school council dito.
Kaya ko anong mga kayaro.
Kasi ang pagiging pa.
Hindi.
Conduction siya. That's part of the major founders here in the school. Siya yung dahilan kung bakit hindi ako natin.
Patuloy na siniraan ni George Wickham si Will kay Elizabeth.
Lizzie,
Bakit?
pwede ka bang mauusap?
Sure, about saan ba?
About kasi sa prom, may kasama ka na ba?
Sa date?
Oo.
Meron na.
At dahil na-reject si Colin kay Elizabeth, naligawan na lang ni Colin ang kaibigan ni Lizzie.
Easy.
Bakit?
Kaya saan si Kelly?
Ano yun? Siguro ka na muna. Sige, bye!
Kahit may have different background, nililap lang ako nila. I still like you. Thank you, Ricardo.
Ano to? Confession mo tong lalaki. Sinabi na lahat sa akin yung kami yung sila akong ginawa. Ang yapang mo talaga.
Pagkatapos ng failed confession ni Will, Napagdesisyonan niya na gumawa na lamang ng isang letter upang ipaliwanag ang kanyang mga nagawa at humingi ng tawad. Pagkatapos itong mabasa ni Lizzie, napagtanto niya na mali ang kanyang paningin kay Will. Napagdesisyonan niya rin na bigyan pa ng isang chance si Will.
Oh, dahan-dahan, dahan-dahan, dahan-dahan lang. Oh, dahan-dahan, dahan-dahan lang.
Katapos nilang patuloy na kilalanin ng isa't isa, may nalaman si Lizzie.
Okay ka lang?
Wait lang, ganyan.
Punta ko. Paano?
Ito ba yung natin nila? Hindi ko ipusulong sa pamilya ko sa kapatid ko.
Alam na. Nasa mo nga ikaw ako? Basta mo.
Oh, dahan-dahan, dahan-dahan, dahan-dahan lang. Oh, dahan-dahan, dahan-dahan lang. Masakit mga aminin, di maalis sa isipan. Ang halik na galing langit, sa labi mong pinagmulan. Dahan-dahan lang. Dahan-dahan lang, dahan lang. Pagkakamali ba ako'y